Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. This was a bit of a surprise. I've got the June Lookfantastic beauty box. It normally arrives a couple of days before the 1st, but you're talking a week. So as soon as it came, I knew I had to do a video to share with you because I know you lot love seeing what's inside, whether it's worth getting it or not, or if you are a subscriber, whether you look forward to receiving it or not. As always, you found links down below in my description. This box will not be available until the 1st of June. If you're interested in this box and you want to have a couple of pounds off your first box, my code Diaryofabeautygeek, and that'll bring it down to £11 instead of £15. It ships worldwide, contains 6 beauty products ranging from anything beauty related, and sometimes we get freebies as well. You can opt for a monthly rolling subscription and cancel any month, or a 3, 6 or 12-month subscription. A 12-month subscription will bring the cost down to around £13 a month. So yeah, so I think that's it as far as information goes. You'll find links to this box plus my code and all my other discount codes and offers and any giveaways I've got currently running down below, so you're welcome to take a look there. I haven't got a clue what's inside, so I'm opening it up for the first time with you lot, and I always find these boxes really hard. They change their boxes round January, I think this month, to be more eco-friendly. I have fake nails and I always worry about them snapping, but it's fine, it's fine. Am I the only one that opens this up like kiffed? Like really badly? Oh. There, okay. Experience beauty like never before. Summer 2023. Redefine the future of beauty. It's an online beauty festival. Yeah, as soon as I find out more information, I will let you know. We've got a QR card here. Sometimes this doesn't work until the 1st of the month, but I'll have a go, see if we can get any information. All right, a little sneak peek for you there. The QR code takes me to the Lookfantastic website. The May beauty box, which was really, really great, that is sold out. So that means if you want to subscribe for the June box, you're able to do so now and you'll receive it in June. But let's start off with the sneak peek from last month, which is the NARS blush. This is in Orgasm and we've got 1.2 grams there. So it's a little mini one. This shade is Universally Flattering. We've had it a few times in different beauty boxes. I love the packaging of these little mini ones. So, so cute. Handy for downsizing. I'm actually going to be going away with a friend of mine just for 2 nights. We're thinking of going to France, seeing if we can get a cheap deal. Not bringing suitcases, just bringing hand luggage. Going again with Vueling. Oh my gosh, Vueling's alright. It's just the bags are smaller than EasyJet. They're tiny. So little teeny tiny products like this are amazing because, you know me, I want to take a load of different beauty products and makeup and things, so I find it frustrating, but it's my own fault. I can easily pay for luggage if I want to, but I'm trying to do it cheap. I forgot to swatch it for you in case you haven't experienced orgasm for yourself. You might not be able to see much. It's quite a subtle blush. It is buildable and it's got a very slight shimmer to it as well. It's like a salmony, corally pink. So there's that. Next up, we've got Holika Holika. This is Soothing Aloe Vera Gel, 99% aloe vera. And it doesn't say how big this is, but it's a decent size. This is like a deluxe travel size. This is really, really handy, especially if you keep it in your fridge for soothing the skin, especially if you get sunburn as well. It's just a really, really gorgeous product. Just nice and calming for the skin. Very soothing and natural. Yeah, I love the design as well. So yeah, happy to have another one of those. Then we've got a facial tanning mist by Mind Tan and Body. This is the Rose Illuminating Facial Tan Mist. And there's 30 mils here. Rose water has amazing benefit for the skin, apparently. You can apply it before makeup, or what I do with these sprays, I put them on afterwards. I do my makeup and then I just give it a spray all over my face, a light spray, so then it develops gradually throughout the day. Just makes my makeup look nicer and more natural. Yeah, I don't know if I've tried this one, Illuminating. Why is it illuminating? It hasn't got like shimmery things in there. Maybe it's because the rose water brings a glow to your face. If you tried this, please let me know what you think. Then we got a sleep mask by Laneige. This is a lip sleeping mask in berry to hydrate, nourish and soften, and there's 8 grams there. So it's a little mini pot. Has it got the little spatula? No, the full size has a little spatula. This is really lovely. Really, really nice. It feels amazing. on your lips, and it does really work. It is quite thick. It's more like a creamy consistency as opposed to like a lip balm then, you know. There's that. Then we've got here an eyeshadow primer by Lookfantastic. It's got packaging over that. Oh, I love it. I love that it's got a little wand like this. Oh, I wonder what that's like. I've never tried this before. Hasn't got a lot of pigment, which is fine. I do love a primer that disguises the undertones of my eyelids as well. This is literally a primer to make your makeup stick on your face. We'll see how it goes. I don't suffer from makeup coming off my eyelids. I never have done. So even though I've always had greasy skin. So there's that. And then lastly, we have got Pure Colour Frizz Fight Gloss by Philip Kingsley. 20 mils there. There'll be lots of information on the booklet if you were to get this box for yourself once you scan that QR code. But I'm assuming Frizz Fighting Gloss is a cream to put on before you blow dry your hair. Or afterwards to tame your frizzy hair maybe. I'm not too sure because I haven't used it. I think I've already got one of these somewhere, but I haven't used it yet. So those are all the products inside the June Lookfantastic beauty box. I'll just go through them all, giving you a bit of a recap. Starting off with the NARS Orgasm Blush. Then Holika Aloe Soothing Gel. Then we've got a Mind Tan Body Skin Rosewater Facial Tanning Mist. Then we've got Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. We've got Louvia Cosmetics Eyeshadow Primer. And Philip Kingsley Frizz Fighting Gloss. These are all the 6 products from the June box. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of the products this month? We've got a mix of minis and samples here, except for this is a full size, an eyeshadow primer. Yeah, I think it's a nice box, but it's not a wow box for me this month. I think because we've had the NARS blush many times before in the past, and the Philip Kingsley, and maybe these two, I'm not too sure. Because I unbox so many different boxes on my channel, I get a bit confused with the crossover. It's a good box, but not a wow box, but that is my thinking. But what do you think? Please comment down below, and I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.